Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need your clips, PNG, and a reference audio ready. Import them now so you keep momentum. Start a new project at 1920x 1080 and 30 FPS to avoid timing issues. Place your main footage on the base track, then add a transparent PNG or mask on a layer above. This becomes the magic trigger. Once done, trim the trigger region tightly to the action. Make sure to label layers for quick edits, and to preview at full speed to check alignment. You'll craft the effect by animating keyframes. Set scale and position just before the moment, then another keyframe at the hit so motion feels physical. Next, place a particle overlay or duplicate the clip, change its blend mode to screen or add, and sync it to the hit. This makes the spark look luminous. Once that aligns, add a subtle Gaussian blur and a quick speed ramp into the hit to sell impact. Make sure to nudge timing by frames until the burst feels exact. You finish by previewing the sequence at full resolution and rendering a short clip to inspect motion and color. Tweak overlay opacity, particle timing, and keyframe easing until the effect reads cleanly on playback. When satisfied, export using H.264 with the project's resolution and a reasonable bitrate for upload. If you see stutter or color shifts, clear Capcut cache, re-import the assets, and confirm all clips share the same frame rate. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.